Hey, Jeff from Sweet Sounds, Mankato, Minnesota. Just finished up working on this absolutely gorgeous 2008 Ford Shelby GT500. Beautiful looking car. This car's only got a little over 20,000 miles on it. It's in fantastic shape. Came in for a technology upgrade. Of course, 2008. Getting a little bit older now. Doesn't have all the capabilities that a new car would have, so they brought it in to add some features to it. So first off, let's start in the back here. We added a backup camera, so they're much easier to be able to see up the back without having to twist and shift your body around in here. Now with this big license plate frame on there, it took a little bit extra to make that fit right, but it looks fantastic and gives a beautiful image on the Sony radio that's in the dashboard. So this vehicle has the Shaker 1000 system in it. So we left that portion of it alone and added the backup camera and replaced the radio with the Sony AX5500. Fits and looks fantastic in here. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this vehicle had the original Shaker 1000 in it, AM/FM 6-disc player with a auxiliary port on it also. And we installed the Sony AX5500. Now the 5500 really stands apart in the Sony line for a few different reasons. First off, this is a double-din radio that includes a 3-year warranty from the manufacturer. That's very rare in our industry. Most radios, almost every other radio, only offers a 1-year warranty. So that's a real nice thing right off the bat. Of course, this is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capable radio. Does Bluetooth on it, streaming Bluetooth on it, hands-free calling, high voltage outputs, 3 sets of 5-volt pre-outs on there. It has dual USB inputs on it. And another very nice thing on it, it has the WebLink smartphone mirroring option, which allows you to display the image from your smartphone right on the screen of the radio. And speaking of the screen, this actually has Sony's higher end glass screen on it. Very, very nice looking radio. So speaking of the dual USBs, so we always like to keep the USBs in a place that's very easy for the client to be able to use them. Now, a lot of other companies just run those USB cables out to the glove box and you pull them out of the glove box and it works, but it's really not a beautiful, very elegant solution. So we normally use a USB extension plug, flush mount, and we install that usually located where one of the cigarette lighters was. So we remove the cigarette lighter out of the center console here, and you can see the dual USB that's down there. It's actually got a memory stick plugged into it right now. So we pulled the cigarette lighter plug out of that and put the dual USB in there instead, and we didn't have to do any cutting or modifying to the car to allow this. And this way, when they have their phone plugged in for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, they don't have to have cables running all over the car. They can literally just have a cable coming up out of the center console here. So that works out really, really slick. Let's go ahead and take a look at the radio in the dashboard. Of course, it looks perfect in there. Great fit, great finish. Like I mentioned, the screen looks absolutely gorgeous on this particular radio. Let's go ahead and take a listen to it real quick here. I mentioned the Shaker 1000 in here. Pretty capable factory stereo in here. So. And as I mentioned, the backup camera image looks very nice on here also. You can see that. View out the back of the bay. Works out real slick. So this customer is going to have a much better time driving this car now with all the technology upgrades in it. So if you have a car looking at getting some new technology installed into it, give our experts here at Sweet Sounds a call, 507-345-8863. If you want to see some of the other work we've done, check out our website, sweetsounds.com. We'll talk to you soon.